Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing, and I just got in the new 8bitdo Pro 2 Bluetooth gamepad. This is a new iteration of a controller that I use all the time and was quite fond of, and we're going to be unboxing it in this video, and then we'll have an upcoming review where we'll dig through all of the features. But as I take it out of the box, I'll tell you what's new about this one versus the old version. Now, I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that this came in free of charge from 8bitdo. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. So let's take it out of the box here and see what we've got. Now, it feels a lot like the old version, but there are some new things that I'm feeling here on the underside. So as you can see here, there are now 2 buttons on the handles that you can use, and this can be programmed any which way you want. Through a PC application or an app that runs on iOS or Android, and we'll be exploring that app in the full review to see what it can do. But you do have the ability to assign macros if you want to have a whole bunch of commands executed with each push. And again, we'll explore that a little bit further in the main review. The Dpad feels very similar to what we saw on the other one. And the best way to think about this controller is kind of a merging of a PlayStation design with a Super Nintendo layout. It feels a lot like an SNES controller, the Dpad here especially. And it's got some really comfortable handles here that I think really make this a real winner. This, by the way, will work with the Switch along with the PC. And you've got compatibility with Android devices, the Mac, Raspberry Pis, etc., etc., and we'll explore all of those features in the full review. It does support X input, and on the Switch you can even do motion controls. Now, it has a rechargeable battery built inside, just like the old version did. You've got the USB-C port there on the top. All of your buttons are where you think they should be, including some analog triggers here. And then there's a few other new things here. One is that you have 3 profiles that you can program with the app and then select here with the button on the top of the controller. And then if you've ever used one of these controllers before, you know that you have to remember the combination of buttons that you have to push to switch modes between X input or the Switch or something like that. Now there's a switch here on the bottom, so you can put it into the platform that you want to use. So over here to the right is X input, all the way to the left is the Switch, and then it's just a switch to get it to work with that particular device. So pretty cool stuff here. Again, we've got a lot to explore in the full review that's coming up. And then we've got the cable in the box here, which you can use for directly connecting to a device or to charge the battery, or both. And this is a USB-C to USB-A connector, and of course there is a USB-C connector here, just like it was on the original. So a lot more to come on this one. So stay tuned, a full review is coming up very soon. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mark Bollinger, Sergio Morales, Mark Dell, Jim Callagher, and Stephen Sue. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.